Morning. Let's resume our topic about sa plane and solid geometry. Sir, what's the difference? Before, we talk about plane and analytic geometry. So, sa anong difference sila sa plane and solid? Kung notice nyo guys, sa plane and analytic geometry, okay, ang ginasolve natin dito, mga plane figures wherein, gina-project natin siya sa Cartesian plane. That's the reason why ginatawag siya nga analytic geometry because i-project mo siya sa Cartesian kag dito mo siya i-analyze. Dito, hindi. Okay? There's no need for you to plot. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan i-project sa Cartesian plane para masolve mo siya. Because, given na yung mga dimensions. Okay? Kumbaga, define na yung properties niya. Okay? So now, actually, this module is divided by two. The plane geometry and the solid geometry. So now, anong pinag-uusapan natin dito? Guys, we'll discuss in here about polygons. Okay? Circles, and all other plane figures. Quadrilaterals. Okay? Next to that are the solids. Cylinders, prisms, wedge of spheres, frusтрums, and solids of revolution, etc. Marami yan. So to begin with the plane geometry, okay? Guys, by the way, sa front page are the problems. Yung sa likod naman yung mga principles, okay? So try ko guys, as much as possible, i-dissect ko siya isa-isa. So now, to begin with, let's start about the polygons, okay? Pag sinabing polygons, what does it mean? Pag sinabing polygons, what does it mean? Okay, pag sinabing polygons, those are plane figures having n sides, okay? So example of that is triangle, rectangle, okay? Guys, what polygon ang may least side? Triangle, okay? So, hindi man pwede ka obra polygon nga duwa lang ka sides. Okay? Hindi mo lang ma-close ang traverse. So, kumbaga, yung pinaka-basic niya na polygon is yung triangles. Now, hindi lang siya basta polygons yung pag-usapan natin dito. Let's talk about regular polygons. Regular polygons. Now, tinawag po siyang regular polygons dahil equal yung sides niya. Okay? Equal yung sides niya. For example, equilateral triangle, square, okay? Pentagon, and so on. So now, ano yung i-compute natin dito? Okay? Let's say guys, I have a polygon. Okay? I have a polygon. Assuming na equal yung sides niya, ha? Okay? So what figure is this? Yes? Pentagon. Okay? Kung 4 na side, square. Tama? Kung 5, pentagon. Kung 6, kung 7, kung 8. Now, tanong. Kung ang octopus ay may 8 tentacles, yung octagon ay may 8 sides, why is it October is not the 8th month? Yung October pang pilang month? 10. Di ba? Okay? So, I don't know kung sino nag-invent na. Okay? Okay lang. Joke lang ha. Okay. Hindi nyo yun naisip? Okay guys, makinig. Assuming na may polygon ako dito, okay? Guys, may tinatawag tayong central angle. Okay? Now, ano yung central angle, sir? Okay? If this is the center of the polygon, okay? Tapos mag-draw ka ng segment papunta sa mga vertex niya, yung sides na ito ng triangle na mabubuo mo, okay? Magsasubtend siya ng angle, okay? So, if theta yan, theta din ba ito? Okay, all of those are congruent, equal po yan. Now, how can you get the value of that theta? Tandaan guys ha, okay? Theta is just 360 degrees over n. Klaro? Tandaan gina, okay? Now, if it so happened na pentagon yan siya, okay? Ilan yung n? Ilan yung n? 5. So guys, expect mo na 360 divided by 5, ilan ito? Is that 72? Yes, okay? So expect mo na yan. Now, makinig. Kung ma-divide mo na yung polygon mo into these triangles, okay? Let's say, kukunin ko guys yung triangle na ito, okay? This triangle, okay? So, ito siya. Okay? Guys, makinig. If this is a regular polygon, yung mga sides niyan is always equal, okay? So, this stands for the sides, okay? N stands for the number of sides. Klaro ah? Now guys, makinig. If you look at this triangle, okay? Actually, isosceles triangle po yan. Ito, tsaka ito, equal, okay? Now, makinig. if you're gonna draw a segment perpendicular to this base, actually guys, S lang po yan. This is just S. Ito yun siya, yung side na yan. Ito yung kinukuha natin, okay? Guys, ano yung tawag sa height na yan? Guys, yung tawag po dyan is A. Sir, what is A? That stands for apothem. Tandaan gina, take note with the word apothem, okay? This is what we call the apothem. Okay? So, ano yung apothem? Yan yung altitude ng triangle mo wherein gin-divide mo yung polygon na yung isang vertex ng triangle mo is also the center of the polygon. Tandaan gina, okay? Now, makinig. If you can notice, guys, kung theta ito, theta over 2 ba ito? Tama ba? Yes, okay? Now, makinig ah. Kukunin ko ngayon yung triangle na yan, okay? Ito siya. Okay? This is A, this is theta over 2, and this is what? Is this S over 2? Yes, makinig. Now guys, look at this angle. Ano yung relationship ng side na to tsaka dito? Yes? Tangent, because this is opposite, this is adjacent, okay? So, tangent of theta over 2 is just equal to what? S over 2 divided by A. Tama? So, ano yung goal mo? Okay? Yung goal ko lang naman is kunin ko yung value ng apothem ko. Okay? In what? In expression. Of course, gawa natin siya ng equation. So, A is just what? Eto, multiply mo doon. Eto, bababa. So, S over 2 times what? Tangent theta over 2. Okay? So, guys, eto yung formula para sa apothem. Okay? Pag tinanong ka, what is the apothem of a regular heptagon or regular pentagon? Yun na yun. The sides divided by 2 tangent theta over 2. How can you get theta? That is just 360 over n. Now, makinig. If you can notice, okay, yung mga triangles na to, okay, pag sinum up mo lahat, yan ba yung area ng polygon mo? Tama ba? Ulitin ko ah. Guys, yung mga triangles na to, kung notice mo, ilang piraso yung triangle? 5, okay? That corresponds to the number of sides as well, okay? So guys, pag tinanong ka, what is the area of a pentagon, of a polygon? Guys, bilangin mo lang yung kung ilang triangle meron. Tapos, kunin mo yung area ng isang triangle. Multiply mo kung ilan sila lahat, okay? So now, we have this triangle. Tama lang ba na pag makuha ko yung area ng triangle na yan, i-times ko sa 5, yan yung area ng polygon? Okay, makinig. Now, look at this, okay? This is just half of this, okay? So guys, if you look at this triangle, okay? Guys, yung area niyan is just 1/2 the base times the height. But it so happened na yung base mo is that S. S ba yan? Now, how about the height? Is that A? Ulitin ko. What is the area of a triangle? 1/2 base times height, okay? So yung height mo is A. Is that apothem? Okay. Yung base ko, yan ba yung side? Okay. Guys, makinig. Area of a pentagon, okay? Ganyan yung ano niya, okay? Pentagon yan, okay? 1/2 the base times the height. Again, yung base ko is just S, yung height ko is yung apothem, okay? Now, makinig. 1/2 times S, okay? Tama ba? 1/2 times S. What is A, guys? What is A? S over 2 tangent theta over 2. Yun lang ba? Yun lang? Yes? Times n, okay? Yung gawin mo, multiply that by n, okay? Sir, why n? Because n corresponds kung ilang triangle meron, okay? So, yung mangyari, this is just what? Makinig. Dins, piyak, pabaw. Wait lang ha. Pare, excuse lang aga, klase ko sa piyak. Okay, guys. S times S. S squared times N. N, S squared, okay? N, S squared over what? 2 times 2. 4. 4 tangent theta over 2. Now, makinig guys. What is theta? Okay? Area ng pentagon, okay? Is just what? N, S squared over 4 tangent. Guys, makinig. Ano ba yung theta? Yun ba si 360 over n? Okay, guys, makinig. 360 over n. Kaso may 2 ka pa sa baba. Okay? Divide mo sa 2. 2n. Now, makinig. N S squared over 4 tangent 360 divided sa 2. Okay, this is something na makita nyo lang sa inyong mga libro. The area of a regular polygon, kahit anong polygon pa yan, yan yung area niya. N(s) squared over 4 tangent 180 over n. Tandaan nyo na, okay? Okay. Sa una, sa klase ko, sa concrete, pag ma-perfect ka ng exam, may prize din sila, okay? So sila na yung mga pinanggaan ko book, okay? Open mong book mo, arin ito. Kung naubos mo na solve, andun yun, okay? Now, please copy this one. Palakas mo natin sa principle, ha? Later natin mag-solve. Okay? Guys, this thing lang. Di ba may na-formula tayong formula? I-prove natin na tama. Okay? Let's say yung polygon ko, guys, is square. Tama ba? Okay? Guys, makinig. Ilan yung n ng square? Okay? Now, yung n yan is 4. Okay? So, guys, yung gawin natin, try natin i-solve si theta. Okay? Yung theta mo ngayon is what? Theta is just 360 over 4. Tama ba? Yung theta ko ngayon is what? 90 degrees. Okay? So, guys, makinig. Area of a square is just n(s) squared over 4 tangent 180 divide mo sa 4. Tama? Guys, ilan yung n ng square? 4(s) squared over 4 tangent of 180 divide sa 4. 45. Okay? So, tanong, what is tangent 45? 1.0. 4 divide sa 4. Okay, so guys, yung area ng square mo is just s squared. Bars. Okay? Area ng square mo is just side times side. Okay? So, copy. Excuse ha. Now, ready? Sige. Take your time. Sino ngalan mo? Okay. Ikaw ang chat? Ikaw mangkot? Ready? Now. Sige. Okay. Okay na, makinig. Pwede ko may erase na apart? Okay lang? Erase ko niya? Okay. Eto, okay na to? Hindi pa. First time nyo na-encounter, guys? Ano na Hindi man? Na-encounter na dati? First time? As in? Paano kung mag-solve sa mga mga volumes tapos ginatantad nyo? Okay. Bakal ka na nga, bili ka ng book ni Earnhardt. Bili ka, yung white. Okay? Busan mo solve. Sa engineering, pilayan ka books na ubos ko solve. Yung blue tsaka green ni Singer, ubos mo na tanan. Erase ko Sige na, pwede na Okay. Guys, kisabala, hindi man sa kung mag-discuss ko gani, okay? Please, pag makabako nga, please take note of the principle. Yung principle yung i-take note nyo, okay? Huwag yung solusyon. Kasi yung solusyon nandyan lang naman yan, okay? Guys, pag magkambala ko nga, ano yung R? Ano yung D? Ano yung A? Ganon. I-take note nyo, gid. Kasi amo nang pinaka-root gid sang topic nga na, okay? So, subong, ano pinaka-principle nito, okay? Eto yung area na yan, kinuha mo lang sa triangle, okay? Ano yung triangle? 1/2 base times height. Yung height ko, apothem. O di yun. Okay? So, yun kayo mag-take down notes, okay? Hindi nga habang ka-discuss ko, sulat ka mo, wala ka mo maka-absorb ng principle, okay? So, please take note of that. Now, makinig. Erase ko na niya, yung mga ganito, okay? Now, guys, makinig. Yung tawag dito, okay? Tandaan guys ha. Please, ari naman, okay? Please take note of this. Note, okay? Theta is what we call the central angle. Tandaan nyo na, sir, why is it central angle? Because, ara siya sa tunga, okay? So now, makinig. There's also what we call interior angles. Ano yung interior angles, okay? Ito po yung measure ng angle sa vertex niya, okay? Yung tawag po dyan is I, okay? Why I, sir? Because interior angles, okay? So guys, kung I ito, tama lang ba na ito siya, I over 2? I over 2 din yan? Tama ba? Kasi ito half lang naman yan eh, okay? Where's Jaira? Jaira? Okay pa, okay? Now, I over 2, I over 2. Guys, makinig. Minsan, tinatanong sa problem, what is the measure of the interior angles of this polygon having these sides, okay? So guys, paano mo yan makukuha? Makinig. Yung gawin mo lang, kung I over 2 ito, tama lang ba na ito I over 2 din? Tama hindi? Makinig ha? Now, I over 2, okay? Wait lang. Interior angles, okay? Para hindi ka malos, magtuon ka mo, okay? Guys, makinig. Kunin natin yung triangle na yan, okay? Ito siya ngayon, okay? Guys, ito si theta, ito si I over 2, ito si I over 2, okay? Now guys, makinig. Tandaan niyo lang lagi, kapag triangle, the sum of all its interior angles is 180 degrees. So guys, makinig. I over 2 plus I over 2 is just equal to what? Sorry, plus theta is just equal to what? 180. Guys, 1 half plus 1 half I. That is just I plus theta equals 180 degrees. Tama? Now guys, if you're looking for the value of the interior angles, that is just what? 180 minus theta. Eh kaso, yung theta ko ngayon ano? Di ba dinerive na natin kanina? Theta is just 360 degrees divided by n. Okay? So, saan to galing? Okay? This came from theta is just 360 over n. Okay? So now, makinig. Kunin mo ngayon yung LCD niyan. Okay? What is the LCD of n and 1? Is that n? Tama ba? Yung denominator nito is 1. Okay? Expect mo na yan. So the LCD of that is just the product. Okay? So 1 times n, n. N divides sa 1. N times 180. 180. Okay? Kasi ito, 180n. Kasi ito, pag sinimplify mo, babalik yun dun. Okay? 180n over n is just 180. Okay? So now, makinig. 360, sorry. N divides sa n, 1. 1 times 360, 360. So in short, 360 over n, babalik ito dito. Okay? So now, makinig. Guys, yung 180 ko tsaka 360, may common ba? May factor ba? Yes. In short, that is just simply 180. Factor out 180, you'll remain with what? N minus 2. Okay? And this gives you the value of the interior angles of a polygon. Okay? Now, check natin ulit. Pag mag-derive kita formula, i-check natin randomly. Okay? Again, let's say you have a square. Expect mo na guys na yung interior angle ng square is what? 90. So try natin guys ha. Okay? Interior angles of a square is what? 180 minus, ilan yung n ng square? 4. 4 minus 2 over 4. Makinig. 4 minus 2 times 180. 360 divided sa 4. Ayos. Okay? Yun. Okay? Hindi ka mo magtalang. Okay? Hatag lang mo isang sample. Either triangle or square. Tapos i-random check yung inyong formula. Okay? Okay na? Now, makinig. Sige, take your time. Okay lang? Dol? Nice lang? Ayos. It's not too late to love mathematics, ha? May ano pa, may time pa. Sige na? Okay, guys, makinig. Kung may tinatawag tayong interior angles, of course, may tinatawag din tayong sum of interior angles. So ano yun? Yung sum of interior angles, kunin mo lang naman kung ilang angle meron. Okay? So here in this case, ilan sila guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, that also corresponds kung ilang sides meron yung polygon. So guys, if this is what we call interior angles, okay, there's also what we call SIA. Ano yun siya, sir? The sum, very good, of interior angles. Okay? Now, makinig. Guys, tama lang ba na yung sum of interior angles ko, okay, is just simply n times your I? Yes, okay? Kasi n corresponds kung ilang angle meron, okay? So guys, n times what is I? 180 times n, sorry. Tama, n minus 2 over n. Guys, what will happen to n? Yung n na to, tsaka n na to, maka-cancel out. So, tama rin naman, okay? The sum of interior angles is 180 n minus 2, okay? Yun, okay? Tandaan nyo na. Testing AB sa triangle. Okay? Ilan yung n ng triangle? 3 minus 2. 1 times 180. Ayos. Okay? The sum of interior angles of a triangle is just 180. Yes! Okay ka na, miss? Isn't it amazing? Tandaan nyo guys, mathematics and absolute science. Okay? We engineers may not be exact, but we are close to precision. Now, sige, take your time. Huwag enjoy. Mataan. Ikaw, huwag enjoy. Enjoy. Kita ka data? Now, makinig. Okay, guys, makinig. If we have what we call interior angles, may tinatawag din po tayong exterior angle. Sir, ano yun siya? Okay? Yan si E. Now, how can you get the value of the... Kita ka na? Sorry. Mapilit na lang ako din. Guys, pag sinabing exterior angle, yung gawin mo lang, yung side na to, i-extend mo siya externally. Okay? Tapos, kumuha ka ng angle papunta sa kanyang adjacent side. Klaro? Here in this case, yung exterior angle mo, eto siya. Charan! How about this one? Eto siya. Okay? Yan yung tinatawag ng mga exterior angles. Guys, makinig ah. If the problem asks you, give me the value of the exterior angle of a pentagon or any polygons, yung gawin mo lang, exterior angle E. Okay? E yung tawag dyan guys ha, para hindi ka magtalang, okay? E is just what? Guys, if you can notice, yung line na to is just a straight line. Okay? What does it mean? Pag sabi, yes, 180. That's the reason why ang protractor mo is 180 degrees because straight line po yan. Okay? Half of the circle. So, the circle is just 360. So, divided by 2, 180 yan. So, in short, exterior angle is what? 180 minus I. Okay? Yun lang naman. Okay na? Okay? Sige. Okay, mas-solve kita. Okay? I guess, enough na na. Do, kaya mo na mag-solve. Huwag ko na yung pang-solve ka, bimig mo. Kamwat may, testingan ta. Okay na? Okay guys, makinig. Let's start with problem number 1. Okay? Napahaba tayo sa principle guys. Please read number 1. Ready? Go! Guys, sabi niya, the sum of the interior angles, SIA ba yun? SIA ba yun? Yes. Ilan daw? 2, 5, 20 degrees. Okay? So guys, find the number of sides. You are required to compute for the number of sides. Okay? That is n. Okay? So now, the solution is what? Of course, dahil malakas ka na doon, okay? SIA is just what? Wait lang. 2, 5, 20. Okay? Guys, ano yung formula nito? 180, n minus 2, yan lang. Yes, wala ka ng over n. Kasi yung over n, I lang yon, interior angles. Okay? So, 2, 5, 20. Okay, shift solve, give me the value of n. Ilan? 16. Okay? 16 sides. Okay, now, ano yung tawag nito? Okay, guys, kapag 8 side, yes? Octagon, 16? Octagon squared. Polygon? Okay, the best. Sino tumabal? Yes, very good. Okay, kapag hindi ka kabalo, sabihin mo lang na n-gon. Okay, that is a polygon with n sides. Okay, yan yung pinaka-smooth. Okay, nasagot. Okay, pero yung tawag dito guys, ilan yung butal? 6. Okay, so yung tawag dyan is hexa. Hexa. Okay, guys. Okay, yes? Okay, 6 siya plus 10. Okay, yung plus na yon, yung tawag dyan is chi. Okay, chi. Okay, hexa chi. Decagon. Okay? Tandaan nyo na? Decagon. Okay? Kung 17, heptachi, decagon. Yung iba, okay, pwede mo itong shortcut. Instead na decagon, digon na lang. Okay? Digon. Klaro ha? 16 sides. Ito naman ba ng okta? Hindi siya okta ha? Okay? Times 2 mo pa siya dapat. Okay? So, ito yung icosagon. Icosagon. The polygon with 20 sides, let's say n is equal to 20, okay? That is icosagon, okay? Di ba may icosahedron kita? Kilala yung icosahedron? Yung platonic solids, yung solids na binuo ni Plato, okay? Icosagon. What is a polygon with 1 million sides? N-gon. I-search nyo ha. Actually, a circle is a polygon with infinite sides. Okay? Yun. Enjoy ka mo sa topic na eh? Di ba? Nami topic ka na. Okay guys, please read number 2. Go. Thus, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 144 degrees greater than its exterior. Okay? Describe the polygon. Ano daw? Sabi niya, let's say, may polygon ka dyan. Okay? Ito yung I mo. Tama ba? Ito yung E mo. The interior angle and the exterior. Huwag kong malong ano siyang polygon. Okay? So, utod lang na siya. Okay? Now, guys, yung interior angle mo daw is what? The interior angle of a regular polygon, guys, tandaan nyo lang pero may basta worded problem gani. Kung ano una yung hambal, amo una ni mo sulat. Okay? Ano una yung ginambal? I or E? Okay, the interior angle is equals po yun. 144 degrees, what? More than its exterior angle. In short, eto na yung equation 1 mo. Okay? Equation 1. Okay? Wait lang. Siguro i-arrange ko siya. Okay? Okay, Dol, ready ah? Alam mo na yung result nito. Okay? Okay, guys, makinig. I minus E is equal to 144. This becomes my equation 1. Now, saan natin kunin yung equation 2? Yes? Very good. The sum of these two, because they are simply what? Yes? Tandaan nyo guys, if two angles, okay, are in a straight line, pag in-add up mo sila, yung tawag sa angles na yun are supplementary. Pag sinabing supplementary, the sum of those angles is 180. Okay? So guys, I plus E is just 180 degrees. Okay? So guys, this is just two equations to unknowns. What Caltech? Mode? Mode 5-1. Okay. Go, Dolpo. Go. What is I? Ilan? 162.18. Okay? So guys, tama lang ba na yung sum dapat nila 180? 162 plus 18, 180 po yun. Okay? So that's the answer. Copy. Erase ko niya. Yes? Now, guys, let's proceed to number 3. Number 3. Please read. Go. Okay, guys. Number 3. Okay, yung polygon daw is undecagon. Pag sinabing undecagon, what does it mean? Ilang sides meron? Yung undecagon. Ha? Guys, undecagon. Okay? Undecagon. Decagon. Okay? Guys, ilang sides nito? Tandaan na, kapag 9, nonagon. Kung 8, octagon. Kung 10, decagon. Kung 11, eto yun siya. Okay? Okay? O siya ka-follow? Siguro unity. I don't know. Okay? Decagon stands for 10. Okay? So guys, pag sinabi namang dodecagon, ilan yon? Ilan? 12. Because kapag solids, may ginatawag kita nga dodecahedron. 12 yon, okay? A polygon or a solid with 12 faces. Eto, ang decagon ito, so 11 sides. Makinig. Ilang diagonal daw meron, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kulang. Dapat ikit, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Okay? Parang ganyan. Sige daw. Let's talk about diagonals. Okay? Pag sinabing diagonals, what does it mean? Yes, ano na? Guys, pag sinabing diagonal, what does it mean? Yes? Okay, 2 vertices, parang kulang. Okay, guys, pag sinabing diagonals, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yes? Ano ibig sabihin nun? This is a segment, okay? Segment connecting what? Okay? Isa pa. Connecting, yes, two non-adjacent vertices. Okay? Hindi mo pwede matawag na diagonal. Pag sarang vertices lang, sides po yan. Okay? Hindi pwede nga mag-connect sila nga dua adjacent. Dapat ini siya gini-connect mo. Non-adjacent dapat. Non-adjacent vertices. Okay? Non-adjacent vertices. Okay? Tandaan nyo na. Okay? Now, makinig. Bilangin natin. Okay? Sir, paano kapag hindi ko mag-derive formula? Okay? So, manuanuhon ko. Okay? Now, makinig. Let's say, ito yung fixed point natin. Dra kita makuha. Okay? So, expect mo na nga, dra mahalin tanang yung diagonal. Okay lang? Diri kita ma-start. So, guys, hindi ka pwede makadraw diagonal sa tupad niya. Okay? Tupad niya. Okay? So, in short, kapag mag-obra ka formula later, alam mo na kung ilan yung number of vertices mo, okay, minus 3 ka na agad. Kasi hindi mo pwede magamit. Hindi mo pwede. Tama ba? Okay? So, expect mo na later sa formula, minus 3 na yon. Okay? So, guys, the first diagonal na madraw na to is ito yun. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Ilan? 8. Okay? So, guys, yung diagonal ko daw is just 8. Isa pa lang yan. Okay? Now, let's proceed to this. Okay? Let's proceed to this. Okay? So, ini, pwede ko ma-connect Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ilan? Plus 8. Okay? Muna-brahon nyo kapag malipat ka sa formula. Okay? Manuanahon mo. Now, dito. Pwede tayo dito? Okay, guys, makinig. Eto, nakakonect na dito. Okay? Din mo sa pwede connect. Dito ba? Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Hindi kita nun? Ilan? Nadula na ako tapat. Okay? Ilan yon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, plus 7. Okay? Okay lang nga medyo lasa. Okay? Sige lang, sige. Okay? Now, guys, tapos na tayo dito. Okay, how about this one? Din ko siya pwede connect. Dito, tapos na, di ba? So, how about this one? Pwede? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, plus 6. Okay? We're done in here. Dito. Eto, tapos na. Tapos na. Tapos na. How about this one? Wala pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, plus 5. Okay, doon nakita mo ng pattern, di ba? Okay? So, saan pa? Tapos tayo dito, next is dito. Okay? So, guys, hindi na pwede, kinaka-connect na sila dua. How about this one? Pwede? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4? Yan lang? So, plus 4. Okay, now, how about this one? Eto, tapos na doon. How about this one? Pwede? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so plus 3. Okay? So, solve ka lang. Enjoy ka pa, no? Okay? So, saan pa? Eto? Okay, guys. Eto, pwede mo connect to, hindi? Hindi na, meron na eh. Okay? So, how about this one? 1, 2. Okay? Plus 2. Meron pa, wala na? Ini, eto pa, oh. Eto, pwede ito ma-connect. Isa. Okay? So, ano pa? Meron pa, wala na? Wala na. So, plus 1. Testing eh. 8 plus 8. Plus 7. Ilan? 23. Plus 6. Plus 5. Ilan? Ha! 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 7, 23. Plus 6, 29. 34. 38. 41. Plus 3. 44. Guys, makinig. Kung manotice mo guys, sa unang nga pattern, okay? Sa unang nga pattern, ano ito siya? Yung nangyari, ilang sides meron? Yung decagon? 11. So guys, ito siya actually, this is n minus 3. Tama? Guys, kung manotice mo, as you go along, okay? Nagbuhin ka, or ilan ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Guys, ang matabusin eh, hindi na ako mag-drive okay? Hindi na ako mag-drive N is just, D is just, N over 2, N minus 3. Okay? So, kung trip mo karon, i-drive mo. Ara may pattern ka na, okay? Eto siya, this corresponds, ang ginagamit mo una nga vertex, nga tatlo ka bilog, hindi mo siya magamit. Eto naman is kung ilang number of pairs meron ka. Actually, yun siya. Okay? So guys, testing natin prove. Ilan yung n ng decagon? 11 over 2. Guys, eto siya. 11 minus 3. Okay? Ang iban, ari gina-divide nila una. 11 divided sa 2, 5.5. Nako, wag po. Okay? Unahin nyo ito, baka even ito. Kasi kapag even yan, may makancel ka. So try. 11 over 2. Ano ito? Even nga. Okay? So 8 divided sa 2, 4 times 11. Ayos. Okay? Ayos? Na-miss ka? Please copy. Saan ka? Tandaan guys Sir, what if binalipat ko? For example lang, yung ginawa mo, D is just N over 3, N minus 2. Okay? Guys, always maglagay kayo ng base point. Ako pag mag-memorize ako formula, hatag ako base point. Again, balik ka lang sa square. Okay? Ilang diagonal meron yung square? Nako, ilan? Hindi man pwede mo-connect Hindi mo siya pwede connect. Dali lang. How about this one? Ilan yung diagonal niya? 2. Okay? Kung nagkamali ka, let's say 4 over 3, okay? 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 2 times 8. 2 times 4, 8. Divide sa 3, wala, mali. But siningon, dapat amo to gamiton mo. In short, D is just 4 over 2, 4 minus 3. Guys, 4 minus 3 times 4 over 2. Okay, eto yun siya. Hindi ka malipat. Ayos. Now, tanong, ilang diagonal meron yung triangle? Yes? Ilang diagonal meron yung triangle? Hindi ka mag-brother Hindi na siya diagonal Again, yung diagonal is a segment connecting two non-adjacent vertices. Lahat sila magka-adjacent. So in short, diagonal is 0. Okay? Copy. Risk ko Na may tsura yan, no? Daw ano naman? Daw lantern. Okay, number 4. Go. Ready, go.
Find the angle of the supplementary
Ano ko na? Find the angle whose supplement is 5 times its complement. Okay? So, let x be the angle. Okay? Yung gawin mo lang ganito. Okay? Let x be the angle. Ano yung supplement niyan? Yung supplement niyan is just 180 minus x. Tama ba? Tama hindi? Okay, guys. Kapag sinabing supplementary, again, the sum of these angles is 180. Kaso, yung supplement niya na yan, ganito yun siya. Okay? Sir, paano mo ginambang 180 minus x? Pwede mo rin yan gawing y actually. For example, guys, x plus y is just 180. Okay? So, what's the value of y? 180 minus x. Di, ito yun siya. Gets? Okay? Sige. Now, if these are supplementary, guys, makinig. Ano naman kaya yung complement niyan? Is that 90 minus x? Tandaan nyo lang guys, pag supplementary gani, the sum is 180. Kapag complementary gani, the sum is 90. Please take note of that, okay? Complementary. Complementary. Okay. So now, ano sabi niya? Okay? Anong sabi niya? Find the angle whose supplement is 5 times, okay? Yung supplement mo daw, okay? Yung supplement mo daw, which is 180 minus x, is 5 times, is equals 5 times its complement. Shift solve, give me the value of x. Yun lang naman, nakala niyo mahirap. Okay, shift solve, what's the value of x? Ilan? Nakarungan ka pareho? Ito yung supplement. Okay? Ito yung complement niya. Find the angle, yes? Very good. 67.5 degrees. Okay? Okay? This is the answer. Smooth lang guys o medyo dasig? Okay lang? Okay lang? After natin sang polygon, pare. After sang polygon, i-turn off mo lang kag video liwat. Kaya medyo malawig mag-upload. Topic per topic lang. Are, pwede na niya? Okay guys, number 5, please read. Go. Number 5 daw, okay? Meron kang circle, okay? Yung area ng circle mo is ilan? 89.42, okay? 0.42 square units. Square units, okay? Guys, yung nangyari, inside that circle, okay? What is the length of the side of the regular? Okay. Guys, inside the circle, okay? Yung nangyari, guys, may pinasok daw na hexagon, okay? Ito na lang blue. May pinasok daw na hexagon, okay? Pag sinabing hexagon, ilang sides yon? 6, okay? Ito siya. Di lang scale drawing ta. Okay? Parang ganun siya. Okay? Regular po yan. Regular hexagon yan. Inside the square, may regular hexagon ka. Okay? So now, yung tanong, what is the length of the regular hexagon nga gin-inscribe mo sa square as a hex circle? Okay? Guys, careful of this. Pag sinabing inscribe, but siningon ginsulod. Okay? Pag sinabing exscribe, okay? Hindi subscribe ha? Okay? Circumscribe. Pag sinabing circumscribe, ara siya sagwa. Siya ang nagputos. Okay? Liwatan ko. Pag sinabing hexagon, inscribe in a circle, pinasok mo siya sa circle. Pag sinabing, yes, pag sinabing circumscribe, but silingon, siya ang nagputos. Klaro ba? Okay, now. Yes, question? Ha? Ano to? Okay. Now, guys, makinig. Yung question na naman, ano kaya yung sides ng hexagon na yan? Ito yung hinahanap. Okay? Now, yung gawin mo lang, out of this given, may area ka ng circle. Tama? Can you solve the radius of the circle out of this area? Pwede mo ma-solve yung radius gamit ito? Okay, guys. The area of a circle is just what? Pi r squared. Okay? So, in short, pi r squared is just 89.42. Give me the value of the radius. 89.42, okay? Divide sa pi. Shift insert. Guys, ano kung mag-solve sini? Sample lang. Gina-shift solve niyo ba? Ha? My goodness. Kabalo ko mag-insert? Hindi. Kabalo mag-insert? Hindi. Shift insert. Okay? Yung gawin nyo ay type niyo ito. 89.42. Okay? Pinduta si fraction, pi. Okay? Scroll ka to the left, dapat ang imo nga screen kay patigpat ring apart. Pinduton mo subong si shift insert. Okay? Okay? Pag shift insert mo, masiga-siga na siya, pinduton mo si square root. Diyan sa right side, sa may lapit sa AC. Sa delete. Testing liwata ha. Pinduton mo sa 89.42. Okay? Pinduton mo ang fraction. Pag fraction mo, di ba, naka-denominator ka na? Pinduton mo shift pi. Yung result mo ngayon is ganyan. Okay? Tapos, scroll up ka or scroll left ka, dapat ang imo nga screen kay patigpat dere. Then, press shift ins. Okay? Insert. Pinduta si square root.
35.
Kuha mo? Mano-mano mo, bro. Atod. Okay na? Okay ikaw. Galing. Ikaw. Okay na? Okay na? Ito. Shift. Insert. Square root. Okay na? Okay. Guys, ang iba, maskin mo na lang, gina-shift solve pa. My goodness, wag ganun. Please, okay? Dugay-dugay na. Sige na. Give me the value of the radius. Ilan? 5.34 units. Okay? Now guys, eto, gagamitin pa natin to. Please store that to F. Okay? Palayo siya. Gamitin pa natin yan. So, kasabay tanan, kabala mag-shift insert ha. Explore nyo calculator nyo guys. Okay? Okay na? Now, pag store mo yun sa F kasi gamitin yan natin later. Okay? So guys, makinig. If you can notice, okay? Yung center ng circle ko ba, center din ng polygon na to? Yes, okay? If I'm gonna draw a segment, okay, I can form a triangle. Okay? Ito sila. Okay? Ito sila. Guys, makinig. Makinig please. Okay? Tama lang ba na yung angle na to, tsaka angle na to equal? Okay? Guys, ano ito siya? Kagina, I over 2 yan. Ito, I over 2. Ito ba, theta? Now guys, what's the value of theta? 360 over, very good, 360 over n. So, theta is just 360 degrees over n. Or simply what? 360 over 6. What's theta? 60 degrees. Okay? So, guys, makinig Kung 60 degrees ni siya, okay, let's say, kuha mong triangle nga ni. Okay? Guys, makinig. Guys, eto ba, radius ito ng circle? Eto ba, radius din ito ng circle? Now, guys, kuha mong triangle nga na. Eto ngayon siya. Okay? This is my theta. This is my I over 2. This is my I over 2. Okay? So, guys, by that, you can simply say that the sum of these angles is just 180. Okay? So, 180 or I over 2 plus I over 2 plus theta is just equal sa 180 degrees. 1 half plus 1 half. I, okay? Theta is just 180. Okay, now, tanong. What's the value of I? Yung I ko ngayon is just 180 minus theta, which is 60 degrees. So guys, ilan yung value ng I? 120 degrees. Eh guys, kung 120 yung I, ilan yung value ng I over 2? Is that 60 degrees? Is this 60 degrees? So now, can you say that the triangle is just simply equilateral triangle? Tama ba? So, 60, 60, 60. Eh kaso guys, sabi niya, R daw ito. R daw yan. So, tama lang ba na yung side ko is just equal sa radius? Yes. In short, S is just R is just 5.34 units. Ito ngayon yung sagot. Okay? Tandaan nyo lang pirme, please take note of this. Kapag regular hexagon gani ang gin-inscribe sa circle, ang triangle nga mabuo nimo kapag in-cut mo siya is regular or equilateral triangle. Tandaan gina. Okay? Tandaan gina. Okay? Sa hexagon lang na. Sa pentagon hindi. Isosceles lang lagi yung triangle. Not equilateral. Okay? The difference between isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle is that equilateral triangles have congruent angles all throughout. Tatlo sila. Pag sinabi namang isosceles, dalawang angles lang yung congruent. Klaro? Okay, please copy. Hindi na siya magamit, kaya hindi na siya magpangita sa area outside. Okay? So, eto na yung sagot. Please copy. Yes? Okay lang? Okay lang o okay, good? Sige. Section A na de? Section B na de? Section ano ka? Sabi. Dungol si Moron. Atong isabi ito dungol man to. Huwag mo na gasulat. Erase ko ha? Gasulat ka? Okay. Very good. Okay na? Okay. Guys, please read number 6. Go. Sige daw, kamo lang. What's answer? Ilan? A51, B52. Ilan yung sagot? Guys, binigyan kaya ng sides. Ito yung triangle, okay? So, ito siya. Ilan ito? 19. Okay, ito siya. 7. Di, ano yung value ng x? Sorry. Ano yung value ng perimeter? Guys, makinig. Sabi natin, the sum of the sides or the two sides is always greater than the third. Guys, makinig. 19 plus 7. 19 plus 7 is 26. So guys, tama lang ba yung third side ko na x? Hindi pwede mag-26? Tama ba? So pwede siya mag-25. Tama hindi? Libatan ko ha. Yung x ko, dapat less than siya sa sum sang duwa ka sides. Hindi siya pwede mag-equal kasi magiging flat yung triangle. So in short, pwede siya mag-25. Hindi siya pwede mag-26. Tama ba? So guys, 25 plus 26. Yun yung sagot. Testingan mo daw 52. Kung 52 yung perimeter mo, ibig sabihin si x noon 26. Kasi 26 plus 26, 52. Liwatan ko ha. Yung iba, muna pa, galoding. Okay? Guys, yes? Sige, liwatan ko. Okay? Guys, binigyan kita ng measure ng dalawang sides. 19 plus 7. 26. Now, dapat guys, yung 26 na to is always greater than the third side. Tsaka, kasi kapag yung x mo is equal or greater than this, wala ka triangle nga ma-form, okay? Now, yung x ko is just equal to what? Pwede siya guys maging less than siya sa 26. So guys, pwede hanggang x ko maging 25. Sir, what if 25.99? Pwede ka po, okay? So para whole number, gawin mo lang 25, okay? So guys, kung 25 sa x, okay? 25 plus 26, ilan? 51. So yung possible lang dyan is 51. Guys, pwede si 53, hindi? Hindi. Kasi sa 53 na yan, 53 minus 26, ilan ito? 27. Okay? So, pwede yan nga 27. Atong 2, 26 lang sum nila. Hindi. Okay? So, hindi pwede possible si 53. Same goes with 52. Same goes with 54. The only possible is 51 because of this 25. Okay? Sige, mata-matahon mo lang na actually. Now, eto ngayon, masaya. Ha? Okay, please read number 7.
The circle is described in a heptagon. If the area of the circle is 113.1 square meters, find the area between the circle and the heptagon. Find the area of the circle that circumscribes the heptagon.
No? May circle ka ko, no? Pilang areas ang circle?
138.1 square meters.
Okay. Sabi niya, may area ka ng circle na 113.1 okay, square meters. Guys, anong pinagkaiba ng 10 square meters sa 10 meter square? Ha? Anong pinagkaiba ng 10 square meters sa 10 meter square? Nako, engineer ka mo ah. Anong pinagkaiba ng 10 square meters sa 10 meter square? Hambalanta ka ba, engineer? Gusto ko balay nga 10 square meter. Yes! Engineer, gusto ko ba magpubra balay mo? 100 square meter. Oh, ano yung pinakaiba nun? Sa engineer gusto ko ng bahay na 10 meter squared. Ano yun? Yes? Very good. Okay? Pag sinabing square meters, okay? Pag sinabing square meter, area yon. Okay? This stands for area. So the 10 meter or the 10 square meter is butsilingon sina, ang area mo dire is 10 ganito. Okay? Now, pag sinabihan ka naman ng 10 meter square, butsilingon sina 10 metro kwadrado. Okay? Yan. Okay? So yung area niyan is what? 100 meter squared. Klaro ah? Careful of that. Hi. Now you know. Why gid? Why gid? Why gid? Why gid? Okay na? Okay na, pasayad lang eh. Okay na. For example lang guys, I have a square lot. Okay? May square lot ako. Hindi magsulat ah. Gusto ko siya pudalan palibot. Okay? Each side, gusto ko, pudalan ko siya sang pulo ka palpal. Pulo ka pool bla. Okay? 10 each side. Ilang pool yung kailangan ko? 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes? Ilan? 36. Kasi, establish mo na yung apat. Okay? Now, sa side na to, ilan yung kulang? 8. Okay? 8. Okay? Yung iba, 40 daw. 10, 20, 30, 40. No. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay? So, 8, 16, 24, 32. Plus 4. Ito si 36. If you can notice, you have your 5 fingers. Ilang spaces in between? Yun. Pag mag-estimate ka mo rebars, ganun din yung principle. Muna reason nga naga-plus 1 ka mo perme. Okay? Same yun. Now, balik tayo dito. Okay? Napalayo na tayo tuloy. Okay? Guys, makinig. You have this circle, guys. Okay? What can you get out of this area? Can you solve for the radius? Yes. Now, give me the radius of the circle. Pi r squared 113.1. So r is just what? Only what? 113 over pi, shift insert. What is the radius? Ilan? 6. Okay? 6 meters. Okay? Okay na? Now, sabi daw niya, okay? Sa loob ng circle na yan, a circle is inscribed in a heptagon. A circle is inscribed in a heptagon. But sino ang aras sulod? Si circle sa heptagon. Sino? Okay. Sabi daw niya, okay, a circle is inscribed, okay, inside or inscribed in a heptagon. But si circle lang sa sulod, okay? So mangyari parang ganito, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Parang ganito, okay? Wide drawing ko. Okay? Parang ganyan, okay? Ayaw. Wait lang. Una ako sa heptagon, okay? Okay? Parang ganyan. Okay, heptagon po yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So inside this heptagon, meron tayong circle. Okay? Yan. Okay? So assume nyo lang na circle yan ha. Okay? Daw lipid pa. Sige lang. Okay? Sorry. Now, makinig. Guys, if you can notice, okay? Kagina, sa sulod ang polygon, sagwa si circle, kapag mag-draw ka line pakadto sa vertex ang polygon, yun yung radius. Tama? Eh ngayon, hindi. Andito si radius, oh. Okay? Eto si radius. Okay? So ngayon, mag-draw ka ng line dyan. Okay? Still, you can generate a triangle. But, yung nangyari, okay, yung R mo is not the side. Okay? Or, I mean, hindi yung part na to. Andito na siya. Okay? Parang altitude siya. Or apothem, okay? So now, guys, ang ubrahon lang nimo, okay? What is the area of the, find the area. Ano na pang hintay man? Okay, guys. Yung hinahanap daw niya, okay? Ano daw yung area inside the heptagon but outside the circle? Yung area na to, eto yun siya. So guys, ano yung technique? Ano yung pinaka-principle? Kunin mo yung area ng heptagon, i-minus mo yung area ng circle. Yan na yung area outside. Ito siya. Yung mga spaces in between. Okay? So now, ang ubrahon lang natin, solve natin ang area sang heptagon. Okay? So guys, makinig. Kung triangle nga okay? Ang matabo, ganito siya. Okay? Ito ngayon, siya. What is this? Is this your R, which is 6? Tama ba? Guys, makinig. Kung eto siya, theta, okay, di ba central angle na tama lang ba na theta over 2 ito? Tama? Now, makinig. Yung theta ko is just what? 360 divided by 7, okay? Sir, why 7? Heptagon siya okay? So, 360 divided by 7, ilan? 51.43, okay? So guys, please store this to M. Palayo siya. Maybe magamit siya later, okay? So from time to time, please store, okay? Basta magamit siya later. Now guys, makinig. Look at this triangle, okay? Kihadon ko siya. Ara siya. Eto si 6. Eto si... Guys, if theta yan, give me the value of theta over 2. Divide it by 2. Ilan? 25.71 degrees. Guys, eto ba si 25? 25.71 degrees. Okay? Guys, makinig. Ang goal mo lang naman dito is kunin mo yung value nito. If this is the side of a polygon, tama lang ba na ito is just 1/2 or S over 2? Ito ngayon yan siya. This is your S over 2. Okay? So now, what is the relationship between this and this? Tangent. Okay? So, tangent of theta over 2, okay, is just S over 2 divided by 6. Okay? So, what will happen is that S, yung 2 na to bababa. 2 times 6, 12. 12 times that. So, 12 tangent of theta over 2. Or simply, 12 tangent of 25.71. Give me the value of the measure of the side. Pag mag-solve ka, 12 tan alpha m over 2. Or 12 tangent 0.5 m. Ilan? 5.78 minute or meters. So guys, tama lang ba na yung side ko, okay, is greater than this? Okay, so later prove na lang, okay? So dapat, ma-prove na later ang area sang heptagon ko, mas dako over sa circle. Siya yung sa labas okay? So now, after mo solve si side, apply mo lang yung natutunan mo while ago. The area of a heptagon is just what? NS squared over what? 4 tangent 180 over N. Okay? So guys, yung N mo is 7. Yung S mo is, guys, please store this to F. Okay? Para hindi ka malipat. 5.78 squared over 4. The tangent of 180. The tangent of 180 divided by 7. Okay? So the area of the heptagon is what? Ilan? Ilan? 1? 121? Yun? 4 lang? 0? Yun? Okay? So guys, makinig. Now, yung tanong lang naman is the area of the shaded. In short, that is just the delta A. Okay? So finally, what is that? Is that the area of a heptagon minus the area of a circle? Okay, so guys, what's that? 121.4 minus 113.1. What's this? 8.3. Yun lang? Yes, okay. Meter squared. Ito ngayon yung hinahanap. This is the area, okay? Area outside the circle but inside the heptagon. Okay? Or in short, this is just the area not occupied. Okay? Okay? So, this is the answer. So, may isa pa. Ginputos pa daw siya liwat ng circle. Okay? Feeling ko guys, ma-2 meetings kita sa topic nga eh. Because ang solid geometry, hindi mo yan binabasta-basta lang, okay? Yes. Ha? Ay, nako. Alam niyo yung struggle ko ngayon, okay? I am thinking, if paano ko i-compress ang tanan nga mathematics, nga matapos ay isa lang kakasem. Imagine 1 meeting lang per week, tapos bilog na math? Oh my God, I don't know. Pa isang una pala guys, isang fresh grad pa ko, nagtudlo ako dito sa kaya ko siya. Ang inigani, gina-half day lang naman eh. Oo, I mean, pag mag-review ka mo, yung ganito na topic guys, 5 hours lang ito. 7 to 12. Promise. 7 to 12 lang ito. Yes. So pag mag-half afternoon, lain ng mga section. Mabilis, mas nasig sa review center. Diriya, pwede ka maka-request, sir, pwede hinayon. Doon, wag ah. Basta pag-uong ka sa instructor. So, subong pa lang, lubos-luboson nyo na. Kung may mangkot ka, takan nyo na ako, okay? Yes? Number 6? Hindi, wala ko na may erase. Wala ko may erase, okay? Guys, makinig. Okay? Last na lang. I mean, last na lang sa problem nga ni. Okay? Guys, sabi daw niya, okay? Yung heptagon na ito, wherein, gin-circumscribe niya yung circle, in-inscribe ulit siya sa circle. Kung bagagin putos mo siya liwat sa circle. Parang ganito, pinasok mo siya ulit sa circle. Now, yung tanong, ano daw kaya, makinig ano daw kaya yung ratio ng area ng dalawang, area o radius? What is, wala naman, no? Find the area of the circle. Okay, yung tanong lang naman, ano yung area ng circle na circumscribe sa heptagon na to, okay? So guys, yung goal lang natin is isolve si R, okay? Si big letter R. Guys, makinig kung ma-notice nyo, yung radius ng maliit na circle, tumama siya sa midpoint ng side ng heptagon. Klaro? Now, how about the radius of the bigger circle? Tumama ba siya dito sa vertex mismo? Okay, makinig. Kung halin dire pa kadto da, amo ni si R, ito siya, amo ni si R, nagtupa sa midpoint, tama lang ba na yung R ko is ito? Liwatan ko. Tulukang triangle nga ni. Eto ngayon, halin diri pa kadto da, eto yung maliit na R. Tama? Now, eto ngayon, eto ba yung malaking R na to? Eto siya? Eto ba yon? So, tama lang ba na eto siya? The hypotenuse of this? Tama hindi? Okay guys, if you can notice, eto lang pala siya, yung R na to. Okay? Gets? Eto si R, which is maliit. Eto si R, which is still unknown. Now, going back in here, okay? So, gawin natin, i-rewrite na natin yung problem. Okay, guys, this give me this. 25 degrees, point what? 71. 25.71 degrees. Now, you're looking for the value of this. This is your R. Given ka ng R na maliit. Okay, guys, what is the relationship between with this and this? Adjacent and hypotenuse. What function? Ito yung angle, adjacent hypotenuse. What's that? Cosine of theta over 2. Guys, 25.71 is just theta over 2. Okay? So, adjacent, which is R, divide mo sa hypotenuse na malaking R. So, R is just what? R over cosine of theta over 2. In short, 6 na R, okay? Cosine of 25.71. Give me the value of R. Expect mo na mas malaki yan. Ilan? 6.66, okay? Meters. Parang pangit 6.6. Now, if you're looking for the area of the bigger circle, okay? What's that? Pi r squared, okay? So, pi times 6.66 squared, ilan ito? Ilan? 139.35 meters squared. Ito ngayon yung area ng circumscribing circle. Area of circumscribing circle. Okay? Ito yung circumscribing, ito yung inscribe yung sa loob, okay? So, this is the answer. Minsan guys, yung tanong lang naman dyan, what is the ratio between the radius of the circumscribing and the inscribed circle? So, yung gawin mo lang, that is R over R. Okay? Yun na naman. Need you break? Oh, sige, break. Okay? 10 minutes lang ha.